Hello, Mr. Shopkeeper. I would like to buy a phone.
Excellent, sir. Do you want a cell phone?
No, Mr. Shopkeeper. I don't want to sell phone. I'd like to buy phone. No sell. Buy phone.
Yes, sir, of course. Do you want to buy a smartphone?
Yes, of course. I want a smartphone. Do you also give foolish phones?
Huh, sir? A joke? A joke! Very funny, very funny. Let me show you our latest model.
Mr. Shopkeeper, this poor phone is shivering. Can we put it under a blanket?
Let me explain, sir. The phone is in silent mode. In this mode, it does not make any sound, but instead vibrates. Let me show you another model. Sir, you need to unlock the phone. No, sir, not that kind of a lock. You just need to slide to unlock the phone.
Please show me another phone.
Let me get someone else to deal with this. I'm getting a headache. Listen, please be silent. My shop is robbed. Why didn't you say anything? Speak up.
Mr. Shopkeeper, you asked me to be in silent. As you can see, I'm vibrating.
Suppandi!